In this video, we'll be exploring how to handle the strings in the Python. From cleaning space to replacing words and joining sentence, all in a few lines of code. So come, let's get started. We're learning Python for AI, and this is day 6 of Python, which is string operations and methods. Strings are sequence of characters. Python gives us a lot of built-in methods to handle and transform them easily. No need to write loops or any logic for most of the tasks. Let's take a look at the code example. Now we're on day 6, and let's say we have a text like this. Okay, there's a space here and here and something here, right? So you can use, so to clean the space, we use the strip method, which means it's trim off all the spaces before and after the string. That's equivalent of .trim in C#. And in order to change to uppercase, we can use a method called upper. That will change everything to uppercase. And if you want to use lowercase, you can use something called lower. And another one, if you want to find and replace something, you can use the replace method, and first one will become a word that you need to find and to replace with. So in this case, Python is awesome and easy to learn because powerful is replaced with awesome, right? Similarly, can you find a word in Python? Yes, it's possible. We have a method called find, and you pass the word that you want to find or a character, it will tell you where it is. We're going to debug those things and see. And let's say we want to split and join. So we will have a clean.split method, which means this will split into each words and become an array of words, and that is what it is here. Okay, so we can split it. Now what you can do is, in order to join, what you can say is a variable join with, this is the separator. So I want a space and then saying dot join of this number of words in an array or a list. That becomes again the words in a string. Okay, it's so funny, right? It's very easy as well. So let's take a look at this. I'm gonna run this and let's see what happens. See, I assigned a string. Take a look at this one. Let's go here. I cleaned it. I'm going to print it. You see this? All the space went off. I can change it to uppercase. I can replace. And I can split. And I can rejoin all of this with the space. And finally, this is how it happens. And we have a lot of other inbuilt methods like this. So any of these things also can be used, which has upper, lower, title, strip, replace, find, join, and all of these things we also saw the demo. Alright, so this is day 6 of Python, and you have an assignment here. If you go here to day 6 worksheet, these are the things that you need to do. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to do all of this task. Okay, that will help you to understand and write code by yourself. This is very fundamental. You need to do this. Don't worry if you don't know or you're stuck. I will still give you the solution for these tasks as well, but I hope you can do it. And if you want to know more about these things, join our Telegram group or comment in the video and I will respond to you. So stay tuned. If you like this video, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and the bell icon. So stay tuned. I will see you in the day 7 of Python video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!